Hey everyone, I'm Matt Dusk and I'm here to talk to you about public plumbing. This is my first video review I've ever done before. Usually I just leave a written paragraph on Homestars, but these guys did such an exceptional job, I just want to tell you about it. I gave them a call, they showed up, gave me a written estimate. I needed some work done at my house, and after deciding to go with them, they showed up on time, on budget. They left the whole site clean, spotless, and most importantly, job was done correct. And for me, it's a big thing. I think you should go with them, give them a shot. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.